What is going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. Celestin Capital here. And yes, by the title of the video, I almost blew my 50K portfolio, guys. First things first, before I go ahead and show you guys what happened to my 50K portfolio, I want to let you guys know that I'm currently trading 200K. I paid for the rest of the accounts. I told you guys, and I showed you guys that I have 3 accounts sitting that haven't been paid for. I've activated them and I'm currently trading them. And we made some profits on them as well. I'm going to show you guys that. But back to the 50K portfolio. I went on Rampage, guys. First things first, I traded during Asian session, which I should not have done. The reason I traded during Asian session, and I'm just telling you guys what goes on in my mind. I'm being as honest, transparent as possible. There was CPI that day. So because I didn't want to wait that long for CPI to happen and then to start looking for a trade, I decided I'm going to trade Asian sessions so I don't have to worry about the CPI mess later on. And there were absolutely no trades after CPI. But I could have saved myself a lot of money, a lot of headache too as well. I traded Asian session. I lost 3 trades during the Asian session. And each of those trades were about $300. So in total, I lost about $1,000 during the Asian session alone. And then I decided to go back into New York and then trade again. It was a clean setup, but I still lost. And regardless of it being a clean setup or not, I broke my trading rules to begin with. I should only take 2 trades max a day. And by Asian session, I've already taken 3. So I shouldn't have even been looking for a trade. I should have just closed the charts, been doing other things. I decided to look for another trade, and I absolutely lost that one. And in total, that day, I lost about $1,200 to $1,300. So my account is no longer at $2,000 in profit. Remember, I told you guys I only needed 2 more trades to get a payout. That's not the case anymore. I've fallen back, but thankfully today we brought the account back. And as I told you guys, I paid for 3 more accounts. So in total, I'm trading 4 50K Apex accounts, which equals 200K in funding. And I'm going to show you guys that right now before I show you guys the breakdown from today's trade, which was absolutely beautiful on MES. You traded MES today, which is the 16th. Those sales, crisp sales. All right, first things first. Let me show you guys the trade from yesterday, how much I lost yesterday. 51. Yeah, it was this account. Let's go ahead and go to 15 yesterday, the 15th. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. You can see it. Straight blood red, guys. Straight blood red. I took 4 trades yesterday. I don't know how I can. Oh, okay. Here we go. I also took silver's right here. So I took 4 trades yesterday. I lost 2 on gold, 1 on. There's supposed to be oil in there. I lost 1 on oil, 2 on gold, and 1 on silver. I don't know where the oil one is, but I lost 4 trades. I took 4 trades. And I lost all 4. I lost way more than what's right here. This is only like $700-800. I lost about $1,300, which was absolutely crazy. Let me see if this shows it. No, still doesn't show. But believe me, guys, I lost more money than this. I lost about $1,300, which brought my account down to like $50,300. And then today's trade brought me back up. So let me go ahead and show you guys today's trade. Today's trade was absolutely beautiful, and I took it across all 4 accounts. So let me show you guys that first. You can see this is 26. This is 27. Made $900 on each. This is 28. Another 900. 29. Another 900. So I'm just showing you guys the reality and being as transparent as possible. Made $900 today. Clean trade on MES. Clean trade on MES. It did have my emotions a bit over the place, but I worked on calming myself down. I worked on staying in the moment and just being an observer of the markets, just as Justin Werlein says, being an observer of the markets, and whatever happens, happens, because the setup was beautiful. The setup was clean. It's a setup that I would take any day of the week. So that's what's most important. MES, thank you for today. Absolutely beautiful. Let me go ahead and dive into the charts. SPX, where we at? SPX. Where is this? Okay, we're right here. Excuse all the noise. I was doing some aftermarket charting. But on the 4-hour, Where's MES? Okay, the trade is right there. So let me back up a little bit to about right here. I was waiting for this. It was either the NASDAQ I was going to take or MES, and MES happened to be cleaner. So that's what I waited for. Excuse me. I needed the next 4-hour candle. So you see how this 4-hour candle pushed above this high? I needed the next 4-hour candle to at least close inside this range, close below this high. And that's exactly what we got. Beautiful close within the range. And then I found a 15-minute, I believe it was, or was it 30-minute? 30-minute imbalance that I waited for price to tap into. All I did was sit and wait on my hands. Sit on my hands and wait for price to tap into this imbalance. That's all I'm doing, waiting. So right now it's 9:18. All right, now we're starting to get some of the setup. So this is the low I was looking for. Because we tapped into the bounce, I can start looking for a setup. This is the last low. I was waiting for that low to get broken. Remember, market's not open yet. It threw a nice fake out to the top. That's what I absolutely loved. Threw a nice push to the top right at, you should have seen this candle right here. It acted as if it was going to push up, and then the candle just closed bearish. It was a beautiful close. So at this point, I would have entered the market, but stop loss was way too big. So I just put a sell limit and waited for price to come tap me in up here. That's exactly what happened. Boom. We got this tap into the market. And here's where my emotions were a bit all over the place because of this huge candle that pushed up. At one point, like you just saw, this candle was purely bullish. You can see this candle was purely bullish. It looked like price wanted to push up. But again, we're observers of the market. This is a setup I take any single day of the week, every single day of the week without hesitation. And then price pushed up again at one point like this, and that had me going crazy. But I managed to control myself. And then we had a third push up. I think this was the third push. I thought price went a little higher, but nonetheless, this, oh, there we go. That's a third push up. So this definitely got close to stop loss. Again, I worked on controlling myself. And boom, we just shot straight to TP. So after this manipulation to the upside, I looked for this low to be taken out. I did get out a little earlier because my profits were already at 900. Ideally, I wanted to take profit at this low, but because I didn't want to make too much money on Apex, I decided not to. So like I said, MES paid the bills today. MES took care of us. It was absolutely beautiful. So that's the trade of the day, guys. That was probably even the trade of the week. We're going to trade tomorrow, see if the market has something in store for us. If it does, we're going to take it. If it doesn't, we're going to sit on our hands. Again, guys, I'm a work in progress. And I'm just showing you guys the reality of trading. I could easily come here and show you guys all the wins. Show you guys the fact that, oh, you know, I could lie, I could do all this, you know, like the other gurus out there. But I'm showing you guys the journey. That's the best way I can explain it. I'm showing you guys the journey and what it takes and the process to getting or becoming a 7-figure funded trader or 7-figure day trader. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you stuck through this far, throw a comment down in the comment box, guys. Leave a comment down in the comment box and tell me, what did you think of today? Was today choppy for you? Was it good for you? Let me know what you think. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. I appreciate you guys.